I'm Steve Johnson with Nebraska Star Beef. Just kind of want to take you through the jerky making process using our kits and our seasoning products. So the first thing we'll want to do is to trim the round completely. We don't want any fascia, we don't want any fat. We want to have this round trimmed completely. It's going to cook down to about half of the thickness that you slice it. So if you're slicing in the 1/4 inch thick to 3/8 of an inch thick range, you're right on the money. I should say the more uniformly sized everything is, the more uniformly it will cook. The next thing is our seasoning and marinade. And to get our basically factory, Lucky Beef jerky flavors, we portioned it out for 5-pound batches. We do not increase the cure rate. The cure rate it needs to be maintained. As far as the seasoning goes, you can season to taste. Okay, and once we have all of that in solution, we're gonna go right into our 5 pounds of meat. You can see all that marinade has been pulled in. All right, it's been 24 hours since we put our jerky in the fridge. We let everything marinate. We've got a 5-pound batch of the heat and a 5-pound batch of sweet and spicy. What we're gonna do now is get the jerky laid out on racks, and then we're gonna cook it. Make sure and use some type of a no-stick spray. This rack's going to go in the oven at 185 degrees. We'll cook that to an internal temperature. We're going to be looking at some of our thicker pieces, checking those with a digital thermometer. When they get to 160, 165, this jerky is going to be ready to enjoy. So we're going to load this in, and then there's one other little trick. We're going to use a spoon, or a spoon like it, a wooden spoon will work fine, but we're going to use that to prop the door open a little bit. Probably looking at an inch, inch and a half propped open. All right. It's ready to enjoy. Right now it's kind of in the warm chocolate chip cookie state. It's friggin' amazing like this. So we're gonna wrap the video up here and probably dive into a reasonable amount of this jerky. So, later.